Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your favorite stations in the MTA TrainTime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the Settings section, click on the Favorite Stations button. And as you can see, here are all the stations available, and if you click on them and the star turns blue, it means that it's added to the favorites, and you can find it at the top of the page in the Favorites section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.